Ladies and gentlemen, AstraZeneca, also part of Oxford University, they partnered together to come up with a vaccine. Well, they are finding that they have put fake data out about the vaccine. And I wouldn't doubt if all of these pharmaceutical companies are lying. This is why I will never trust this stuff to take it. I saw some are saying you're going to have to take two shots. And then I saw another article saying that you may have to take a shot every month. Are you kidding me? I don't even trust you to give those kind of shots out like that. I mean, look, this government has never made amends for the things they have done to the Black community. But we're supposed to erase everything, every rotten thing, and let you give us a vaccine? Hell no. All right, I'm going to play this for you. I want you to listen carefully to what they have found this pharmaceutical company doing.
The Oxford University vaccine, that's the one it's working on with AstraZeneca, it is now admitting to making a key mistake during its vaccine testing. And that is this morning raising major questions about the data, about effectiveness. Let's go to England. Dominic Velitis tracking the story for us from there. Dominic.
To really understand the confusion around this vaccine, we have to look at what happened during the trials. There were two groups of volunteers who took part, Heather. The first group received two identical doses of the vaccine, but because of a manufacturing error, the second group received half a dose and then a full dose of the vaccine. Now, in the group that got the two full doses, the vaccine appeared to be 62% effective, while in the low dose group, it appeared to be 90% effective. And that was a big surprise. But AstraZeneca did the sums, it did the math and said, overall, look, our vaccine is around 70% effective in total. But the way those results have been collated has raised some eyebrows, Heather. One of the issues is the different sizes of the two groups. The low dose group was much smaller than the other group. And some experts say that makes it difficult to know if the vaccine's 90% effectiveness in the low dose group is real or merely a statistical quirk. Another issue, Heather, concerns the different ages of the participants. Now, none in the low dose group were over the age of 55 years old, and as younger people tend to mount stronger immune responses, some say that could have made the vaccine look more effective in the low dose group. So we have two different groups of participants here, Heather, which have received different doses of this vaccine. And as a result, some are struggling to understand how AstraZeneca arrived at that overall figure of 70% effectiveness. Heather.
Certainly raising questions. The world is watching this and the other vaccine candidates, Dominic, but we heard, for example, from Oxford University say they hope to have 3 billion doses ready by the end of next year. Canada's on tap to buy 20 million doses of this particular vaccine. So with all of this up in the air now, what does this mean for the vaccine?
Well, first off, I think it's important to say that AstraZeneca has defended the trial, saying that it was conducted to the highest standards. It also says that more data will continue to accumulate and that additional analysis will be conducted. And those results will then be peer-reviewed, hopefully in the next few weeks, and they will then be provided to UK regulators who will make a final decision on whether or not to greenlight this particular vaccine. So more data is in the pipeline, Heather. It looks like we don't still yet have a complete picture about this vaccine, and that possibly explains some of the current confusion surrounding it, Heather.
Dominic, thank you.
All right, so you heard that, right? So their data is jacked up on this vaccine, but they're still going to push to get this thing approved, y'all. It doesn't matter to them. Like I said, you are putting your life in the hands of people that have notoriously done shady things before. And never forget, each one of these pharmaceuticals took part in opioids and marketing opioids as non-addictive. All right. We see what shape America is in over opioids. So now you're going to trust the same exact pharmaceutical company to give you good data on these vaccines? You would have to be crazy to believe anything. The people that want to believe them, let them go get the shot. But those of us that are skeptical about these things, the hell with it. I'm not going out there to get it. But y'all, please tell me what you think about this new revelation with Oxford-AstraZeneca, who now they're got data errors on this thing, and the data they have put out is not even accurate. And like I said, I really believe it is the same case with the other pharmaceutical companies too. Man, I wouldn't put nothing past them. But y'all, please tell me what you think. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.